And here is school. You live within, no, sorry, that's wrong, okay? Here's your school. And you live within 10 miles of school. Where could you live? If you're on a straight road within 10 miles of school, and the school is on the straight road. Raise your hand. Where could you live, Dakota? 0 to 20, well, no, because if you're out here at 20, you wouldn't be within 10 miles of school.
0 to 10 or 0 to negative?
Where's the school? Here's school.
The middle. 10 miles one way and
Right.
10 miles the other.
Right. So if school is,
I thought the school was at 10.
yeah, but if school were at 0, right, we could either be 10 miles this way or 10 miles this way. Okay, Caleb, could you shut your computer,
I was
please,
just
and look
working
up here?
on a little bit of.
I don't care. Close the computer, please. Close the computer. Thank you. Okay? So you could live anywhere from here to here. Got it? Anywhere from here to here if you could live exactly 10 miles. There's a way to write that as an absolute value equation. Okay? And that absolute value equation would look like x, absolute value of x is less than or equal to 10. Do you understand that? Okay? Because the distance that you live away from 0 is got to be less than or equal to 10. Doesn't matter if I'm negative 10 this way or positive 10 this way, because when I take the absolute value, that number is always going to be less than or equal to 10. What if I say that you live at least, this would be far away, but you live at least, you live more than 10 miles away from school? How would I represent that on a number line? Yes, Caleb? If I live in...
The absolute, on a number line?
On a number line.
Oh, it would be,
If this is school, here's school.
okay, so it would be is it like 10 miles or more, or just more than 10?
You live more at 10. You live more than 10 miles away from school.
Okay, so then you do a curved
Yep.
thing at 10 and negative 10,
Yep.
and then the arrows facing left or right.
And going that way, and then you go negative 10, and you go that way. Okay. The way you could write that is how would you write that as an inequality? Absolute value of x is what? Greater than 10, right? Because it doesn't matter if you're at negative 11 or positive 15, the absolute value of that number is always going to be greater than 10, okay? Which kind of teaches you how to solve an equation. So the solution to this, right? So the solution to x, the absolute value of x is greater than 10, is x is greater than 10, or if I'm down there on the left side, where am I? How would I write that if this is negative 10? If I'm going that way. Okay, if this is my number line, here's my greater than 10, right, up this way. How would I write this part of the inequality? Max?
X is less
X is less than
than negative 10.
negative 10. You understand that? Right? Because in order for that value to be bigger than 10, either x is bigger than 10 or x is less than negative 10. The way you would write that in interval notation, well, just like this. Actually, in interval notation would look like you'd go from negative infinity up until 10, curly bracket, the union of, that means or, curly bracket, 10 up to infinity. Okay, so that means I'm either on this end or I'm on this end. Okay? Which leads you, can I have your phone, please? Thank you. Okay? Okay, so which leads you to how you solve an inequality with an absolute value sign. you take away the absolute value sign in the one case, and on the other side, you flip the absolute value to make it negative. Okay? So that's how you solve an absolute value problem. So if I had the next one, so say I had something like this, 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 8. Anyone tell me how I could solve that? Go ahead. Noel.
3x
Noel.
minus 4
3x minus 4.
less than or equal to 8.
Whoops, I forgot the minus 4. Sorry. 3x. Where'd my workspace go? Up. We'll get there. Where'd it go? There it went. Up. There we go. 3x minus 4 is less than or equal to 8. Or, go ahead. Keep going.
3x minus 4 is greater than or
Yep.
equal to 8.
Greater than or equal to
You forgot the minus 4 again.
minus 4, sorry. Now I hope this doesn't go away when I use the. Okay, 3x minus 4 is greater than or equal to negative. Then you solve these two inequalities, okay? So I would add 4 to both sides here, add 4. I get 3x is less than or equal to 12, divide by 3, x is less than or equal to 4, or add 4, 3x goes away, greater than or equal to negative 4, divide by 3, right? Divide by 3, x is greater than or equal to negative 4 over 3. If I'm going to graph that on a number line, less than or equal to 4, right, would be, put a 4, square bracket, here's 4, greater than or equal to negative 4/3, I'm going to put a square bracket. Where would I shade? If it's less than or equal to 4 and greater than or equal to negative 4/3. Where did I shade, Dan?
The whole number line?
Not the whole number line, because it's at, wait. Or, in that case,
Yeah, right.
you would shade, I guess if it said or, you would shade that way, and you'd go all the way down that way, right? There you go. You're right. So it would be everything. Is that right? What if I put, what's a number out here? What's it? Let's try 5. Greater than or equal to negative 4. I think this has to be and. Okay? Has to be and. Okay? Because if I plug in a 5 in here, does that work? 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4 makes 11. Is that less than 8?
No.
No, right? So you have to put an and in there, right? Because it's a compound inequality. It's greater than negative 4 over 3 and less than 4, like that, okay? So in that case, it has to be and. I know it's confusing because I put or there, but those are the, you want the overlap between those two things, okay? So really you want the intersection, okay? But, yeah, so it's right in here. What's a point in between negative 4/3 and 4? What's an easy point to pick?
0.
How about 0? Always pick 0. See if 0 works. 3 times 0, what's that? Take away 4, what's that? Negative 4, take the absolute value of negative 4. Is 4 less than or equal to 8? Yes, it is, okay? So it does work, okay? So I kind of messed up. There should not be an or. You just break it into 2 equations, and then you see where those 2 equations overlap, okay? If it were like x is greater than 2 or x is less than negative 2, then that's where you get the or part, okay? But in this case, it comes out to be the overlap of those two, and it's an and. All right? Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a chance to try some and win valuable cash and prizes. You ready? You ready? Oh, no cash. Maybe valuable Tootsie Pops and the prizes. Here, we'll do the first one. It'll be an easy one. Okay? Ready? Wait, I have to come up with the problem. What's the problem? Here we go. Oh, I'm going to put it up and then you guys... Well, it doesn't matter because I'm just going to pick on someone with my random number generator. Okay? There's a problem. X is...
Wait, we have to see numbers.
Okay? So, yeah, we'll get there. X is less than 3 or X is greater than negative 3, right? Okay, you flip the sign and make it. So in that case, if I were shading on a number line, right, you're going to go down from, you're going to go up from negative 3 and up to positive 3, and it's an overlap, okay, in there. So even though I use the word or, it's the overlap that you're looking for, okay? But those are the two equations, because 5 isn't going to work, right? Because 5 is out here.
Mr. Ray, it's
Yeah.
not. Is it supposed to be a bracket?
No.
It's Kirby bracket. Sorry, Kirby bracket on both of them. Okay, so very good. Noel gets a point. I'm going to pull out all my Tootsie Pops. We'll work until they're all gone. Okay? Yes? Oh, were you not here from, I owe you one, right?
No, you already gave it to me.
No, he wasn't here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
No.
that's all I got. That's, what color? What? Yeah, there you go. He did. What color, Noel? I got blue, pink, red, brown, green. Green, okay. There we go. You're at, oh, sorry. Okay, so we're going to do another one now. That one's going to, I have 3 blues and 1 pink and 3 browns. Blue, there you go. Can you catch? You're not allowed to use your
Can you
hands.
throw?
Hey. Okay. So, for those of you who didn't get this right, and it seemed like quite a few people didn't, I'd like to go over this. You would go 2x plus 4 is greater than 6, or 2x plus 4 is less than negative 6, right? And you solve those two equations. This one gives you 2x is greater than 2 when you subtract the 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is greater than 1. Okay, and this one gives you 2x is less than negative 10, because I'm subtracting 4 from both sides. X is less than negative 5. So if I graph this one, okay, this is one where it's either or. Either you are bigger than 1, right? You're either bigger than 1 over here, or you're less than negative 5 going down that way. Get it? Okay? Let's try another one. Okay, we're up in the end here. Getting a little more trickier. Okay. 3x minus 6 absolute value plus 5 is plus 3. Whoops, I meant plus 3. Plus 3 is less than or equal to 15. Okay? Ready and, what's this? Ready and begin. Okay. Good. Oh, wait, I have to pick on a student, see if they got the right answer. Let me see if I got it. No, wait, number 4 already went. Number 17. Who's number 17?
I am.
You got it?
X is less than or equal to 6, or X is greater than or equal to -2.
go, girl. You got it. Okay. What color?
What color do you have?
I got blue, pink, and brown. There you go. Okay. I would like to go through these as kind of examples if you didn't get them right. Okay. So hide that. Go away. Go away. So if you did not get this correct, this is how you do it. You set, first take away 3 from both sides, right? And so 3x minus 6 absolute value is less than or equal to 12. And then you break it into 2 pieces. 3x minus 6 is less than or equal to 12, or 3x minus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 12. You add 6 to this side. 3x is less than or equal to 18. X is less than or equal to 6. And over here you get 3x. When I add negative 6 to negative 12, I get negative 6. Divide by 2, x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Very nice. So this would be on a number line, okay? You'd be between 6, including 6, right? And you'd be greater than negative 2, including negative 2, okay? Let's try one more. One more. We got time for one more, okay? And then we'll option off the rest. You don't even have to do anything for the rest, okay? So here comes the next one, okay? X minus 3 divided by 2 in absolute value, okay, plus 2 is less than or equal to 6, okay? Give that one a shot, okay? Pause. Am I on pause? You guys, I believe I marked you tardy. Yeah, it's the absolute value of being on time. So you'll be negative 30 I'm going to record this now. Okay, you guys can go. I'm going to record this. So, who is still confused about this one, I'll do it on the screen and you can view it at home when I post it. Okay? So for this one, I'm talking to nobody. Subtract 2, subtract 2. You get absolute value of x minus 3 divided by 2 is less than or equal to 4. Go. That means that, I'm going to keep going here. Okay? X, Grace, you want to listen to my dynamic lecture?
Sure.
X minus 3 is less than or equal to 4. Or x minus 3 divided by 2 is greater than or equal to negative 4. Multiply by 2. X minus 3 is less than or equal to 8. X is less than or equal to 11. Yes? Multiply by 2. X minus 3 greater than or equal to negative 8. X minus 3 greater than or equal to add negative 3. Whoops, x is greater than or equal to 5. There you go. Okay, thanks. See you later. Sorry, I don't have any more candy. Okay.